Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming what you actually need: clip length, resolution, and the creative purpose. Once done, identify who controls the movie, studio, distributor, or rights holder, and determine if a license exists. You should decide whether your use is commentary, criticism, news reporting, or purely entertainment, because that informs permissions and risk. Make sure to document every contact and any written license offers. Keep screenshots, emails, and timestamps so you can prove intent and scope later if challenged. You now perform the core editing with transformation in mind. Add voiceover critique, overlay captions, crop or speed change, and insert original B-roll. Once done, minimize the original footage used and ensure your commentary or analysis dominates the viewer experience. Make sure to keep a detailed edit log that shows timestamps, versions, and the reason each change supports your argument for fair use or permitted use. This documentation matters when you challenge a takedown or seek a license. You're ready to publish. Write explicit metadata describing your transformative purpose, add right statements, and provide contact info for rights holders. Once live, monitor content ID and copyright notices. If flagged, respond quickly with license proof or a targeted counter-notification explaining fair use. If you can't resolve it, escalate through the platform's dispute paths or obtain a license. If things go wrong, keep backups of original edits and all correspondence so you can restore content or defend your position.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.